Here's a short clip of no exhaust muffler at all. So these are here's the original. There's the Yonaka. You can see it's much smaller weight-wise. Let's see. They seem about the same. I'll measure them on the scale. Maybe the Yonaka's a bit heavier, but not by much. So earlier I had two of these washers on each side, and I had these originals both front. I'll do the same, I guess, with the Yonaka before I put on the new gasket. But first, let's see what it sounds like with no exhaust. I'm not gonna let it warm up. I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, if your washers do fall into the exhaust, have someone stand out here while you floor it so they can come out. That's the easiest way to get it out. Yeah, it's louder, definitely, but I think it sounds better than the washer solution. So if you do a straight pipe, this is pretty much what it sounds like. It sounds really good. So now on to the next part, which is the Yonaka